Back out here at the pier.
Hey, Dustin.
What's up?
You got a big hook?
Yeah. You want like an 8-aught? Alright, give me 1 second. Let me put my bait on. Here, Jacob. You want a big hook? This is the bigger one.
Let me get one.
Here. This is still a good one. It's just a little bit smaller. Oh, that didn't sound good at all. I need to clean. Watch out. Oh.
That don't sound good. Sound like a.
Throw yours. There you go. My shit's cooked. Watch out, I don't want to hook you. Let's get that out there and see what happens. We got on the little tandem rig. We're gonna see if we could get any action. Some trout. Oh, that might have. I hope I didn't cross this dude's line. Not exactly sure where it is. All right. It's pretty smart, Jacob. I think Bobo's getting a run. Feel something?
Fucking.
Gas top?
Oh, fuck me.
Oh,
It was a gap top.
throw it back out there. Oh, shoot. My line's hella slacked. I got one too. Oh.
Look, look.
let me try to throw mine out real quick. Just let it run. Watch out, Jacob.
Messing with this?
Yeah. Watch out, Jacob. Yeah. What's up? bro. How you been? Dude just got a bull red, I think. That's their first red. They caught a drum earlier. And then
Late night hardcore shit you talking about?
it really is. Some trout popping earlier. I got on this little tandem rig that glows in the dark. What do you got? Where's your pole? Dang, boy.
It's just some little
This
shit.
thing's fire.
Some little shit. I caught a couple bull reds off that shit.
For real? I like that little thing. Hell yeah.
That's a big motherfucker.
Uh-huh.
We came out here like maybe a year ago.
Uh-huh.
And there was like trout everywhere. You know, it was good, but
Yeah, it's
there
slowed
was like
down.
baby sharks. There was
Really?
some baby sharks and trout.
I've seen a couple sharks caught out here, but not really a lot of them. I know.
I think that night, I think we had caught like 4 of them. There was
Dang.
probably like 3.
Someone caught one the other day, apparently. It wasn't too big. It looked real small. I know in summertime, my buddy over there, both of them, they both caught a shark over here. I think he caught a 3-foot over here, and he caught a 4-foot, right? You caught a 4-foot? Yeah, he caught a 4-foot shark over here. He didn't even know he had it on. He was reeling his pole in, and he was like, "Brr."
We like the small sharks.
Uh-huh.
We'll cut them up and eat those.
I want to try some shark. Man, I'm gonna have to do that next time.
Small ones, they're good. When
Uh,
they get big,
They don't,
it's hell.
not
If we
to.
go to San.
Oh! I hope it's not a gap top.
Now we taking off like that.
Hey, Bobo.
Yeah, me full drag one. Hey, just move that shit over here. Shit over here.
Watch out. Oh. Watch out.
Hey, you gotta give it another cheers.
Let's see if the cheers works.
The fish whistle.
The fish whistle. Hopefully the fish come back.
I've been popping my
I'm out with you. He's all running. I'm like, not you.
I wouldn't even be mad. Nigga.
Yeah, bro. I think it was a little fucking gaff top. Huh? Yeah, probably. Oh yeah, look at that. It's all.
3, 2, 1, go.
Woo! We got another one. Don't litter. Don't litter. Don't litter. You really got it everywhere, pendejo. 2, 1, go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Peony. Peony inspired. Bang out. Oh, y'all finished at the same time. Oh my. It really comes down to the nitty gritty of it. You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Boom. Oh, you bad, but you could, Bobo. You could, Bobo. You could, Bobo. Yeah, Jacob. Yeah, Jacob. Yeah. All right, y'all pick these all up. Sign them out. Sign them out.
I'm fucked.
Oh yeah, it is. What's up, guys? This is part 2 to the first part of this video, hopefully. We're out here at the pond now. We just got, well, not just got done, but last night we were fishing at the pier. Hopefully it's gonna be in this video and you'll be able to see. Go. But we're about to try to get some bass, see what we can do here today. We didn't really catch anything, as you can see, but we'll see. I'm about to throw out and we'll see what we get. Day 2. All right, Whew, today, me and Eric, we raked some leaves. Did that. Now, we're gonna see if the fish are gonna treat us good after all this. It's been a while since we were last here. The weather has been acting, whoa, bass are jumping. The weather has been acting up. I saw that, yeah. Whole bunch of grass on the first cast. Should have took that off. It's all good. The grass, the weeds, it's killing me. One's still stuck on. It's all good. Let's just get it back out there. They're lurking over here, but it is not seeming. It is not seeming to be the case. We're good. Let's try throwing out more towards the middle. Down there. And I might fish the OG. Here, I'm gonna throw this way real quick. Holy! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, finally. There you go. Yeah, little buddy's active. It's a good slip. Wow, you think this is the one you caught? Could be.
It was on its left side of the lip. Your left side, his right side.
Well, shoot, hold on, because he hooked himself good.
Oh, hold on, Dustin.
You're seeing active? Boom. First bass, or second bass of the day. My first bass of the day. Let's get him back into the water. Boom, boys, just like that. Yes, sir. Huh?
Oh, no, we coming back for
Now we are, hell yeah. All right, boys, well, we will catch you whenever we're back at the spot. We're gonna go to Speed Stop real quick.
on our way to Speedy Stop. About to go look for some hot dogs.
Or maybe corn. Might try to find some corn.
Shoot, we chilling though. We about to hit the spot back up. It's a beautiful day. At Speedy Stop, we'll show y'all what we finna get, but just look at this. Well, we'll catch y'all at Speedy Stop. We'll let y'all know if we find anything, and we're finna get y'all some big old fish here in a bit. Later. We got the bait, the snacks, the drinks. Ooh, boys, we about to get some big old fish here in a bit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any pregame words, Dustin? Well, not really pregame because we were there, but like, you know what I mean.
Well,
Pregame, big fish.
saw some carp jumping. They look like damn tarpon over there, so we're gonna hope that we can hook up onto one and get a damn jump out of them.
Just made it back to the spot.
Ooh. We made it here onto the island. Nice little. Oh, all your weights fell out.
Everything?
Yup.
Hooks included?
No, just weight, it looks like.
I'll put them back in the tub. Ain't nothing.
All right, bet. We got some hot dogs on there. Now let's throw it out. Watch your head, Eric. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes, sir.
Now we reel it up.
We should make a hole.
Loosen the drag. Now let's see what's gonna happen. Gosh dang. They're gonna start jumping everywhere else, right? We'll hear it.
I wonder how deep the water is.
Not too deep. I don't think it's nothing more than like 5 feet, if that.
Go get you.
Hopefully. I hope that freaking gets me. That would be a nice one to catch. Oh my. Just one of them.
Think you're gonna catch him with one of these?
Huh? Nah. You definitely couldn't. With the hot dogs, maybe. There's a better chance with the hot dogs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh my.
Ooh.
What happened? Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Yo. Oh my, that's the third one. All right, here. Let me get him unhooked and on the scale quick.
Let me get this little one.
Yeah, get a picture of him.
Let's see. Got him?
Yeah.
Your ass excited as hell, boy.
Hell yeah. Oh, if that's 1 pound. No way, that's 1 pound. Oh my, if that's 1 pound, I've caught some beasts. 1.2. You want me to release them?
Yeah.
Yo, buddy. There you go. Buddy was real calm with it. Dang. All right, let's see if we can catch a bass. Got one of the bass. We got one of the bass. Oh, come on, buddy.
You know what time it is?
Scale time. Let's pop out that scale. First one I've measured of my bass. Let's see. Stick it in.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Wait at.
We're about to find out right now. 1.9, almost a 2 pounder right here. Right under 2 pounds right here. Boom. What happened? Boom, right under 2 pounds. That's a nice one. Nice old big fat head on him. Let's get him back out in that water. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and he's swimming off real nice. Yes, sir. Think we stay here just a little longer?